Alright y'all, you're back here with Coat Dipper 444, and I got a pretty interesting video. So, I've got some old ammunition. Well, it's not really that old, but it's been sitting in my pickup, and my pickup's got some leaks. And so, essentially, it did look like this at one time. That's a 45 ACP. And I've tried something interesting. So, I understand that the baking soda and, vinegar is very acidic, right? And so what I've been trying out here is I've got some different rounds mixed. We've got some 5.56. I've got these in a solution of vinegar. I just poured it in, added some salt, and then I took some baking soda and I just sprinkled that in there. And actually, it's turning out really well. It's like, these things were so dirty before I had, put them in there, and it worked. It worked amazingly. And I think the next test is going to be taking them and shooting the rounds that have been cleaned. So I'm gonna have to save those aside, and we're gonna see how they turned out. I mean, it's working out phenomenally well. I mean, I couldn't even recognize these hollow points. I mean, they were just so dirty. And then with that baking soda and that vinegar and salt, it's really amazing what it's done. And I can show you. Okay, so this is what we have right now. It's, they're in there, and then you would take I'll add some more baking soda. You just take some, you'd sprinkle it, and just add a little more for good measure. And we're just gonna let that keep doing that, and you can hear this working its magic right now. And it's amazing the properties you can use with just the properties these common household items have, and we'll just give it a little bit longer, and we're gonna pull these out. And it's amazing how it just takes the tarnish right out of them. These things look like brand new rounds now, and I don't think a lot of people realize. A lot of people think that they should just throw that old ammunition away. And I've got stuff in here that's really old, and it's just cleaning it right away. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, there was rust on some of this stuff, and I'll show you if I can prop my camera up here somehow. I'll show you exactly how well. So as you can see, there's a little bit of rust and tarnish on there, and you can just take a cloth and just wipe that away. It works amazingly. And I think with these heavier caliber rounds, they should have a nice tight seal, so we shouldn't have to worry about the gunpowder getting wet. Because I've got in here some 223 or 5.56, and I mean, as you can see, it's just really it's taking that tarnish away, and it's making these look like brand new rounds, and I think that's amazing. And they may never look as new as these that I have here, but I would definitely run these through my handgun now. I'm not gonna run something that looks really disgusting through my firearms. You want to take care of those. And I just thought this would be a great quick tip while I was doing it, and I thought it'd be a great video to make. And you should be expecting on the channel, all you followers and new people to the channel, I am going to have some videos coming up with the AR. We just took I had an M16 A4 upper on that, and I free floated it with a Osprey Global free float rail. Got a low profile gas block. We're running a Magpul Pro front sight along with the Pro rear for irons, and then we also have an Osprey Global red dot on there. I mean, this ammunition looks just brand new. I mean, You would be surprised what just you can do with just stuff around the house for cleaning. It is not just for cleaning around the house or cleaning the sink out. It works amazingly. I just want to share that quick tip with you, and I hope to see you back again. Remember to support your troops, all your law enforcement, first responders, and remember to rate, comment, subscribe.